Hey Raiders, I am going to show you the easiest way I have found to get fireworks damage on Flying Ark. Now this is a part of the Phantom Targets project, and it's the last step. I am on the far west side of the Buried City map, and if you've ever been on the far west side of the Buried City map, you will recognize this building right here. This guy. This is the guy you need. So the object here is, we're going to throw a snitch scanner, although you don't need one. There's seems to be a lot of traffic around this area. We'll throw one out here. We'll get a couple coming down. We'll sit in this window right here, and we'll shoot at least one of them just to get his attention. And once we get his attention, he's going to shoot at us first, then he's going to come around the side here. Now the side of this building is knocked out, and this is important here, because I've always found that they'll swing around this way and then they'll coming after me. I'm going to set a fireworks box right here, and when they come swinging in, I'm going to detonate it. It's that simple. All right, I'm going to drop fireworks right here. Snitch scanner. Wrap chair. Now gotta get one's attention. Now they will swing around this side. Come on in, detonate. Boom, boom, boom. Now it won't usually kill them, so you have to take them out after. But if you hit them dead on, that should give you over 50 points each. Knock out 2 and you're done with the Phantom Targets project. All right, thanks Raiders. See you topside.